Hey guys, welcome back to TechTotalTools. My name is Rambabu. In this video session, I will show you how to install Tomcat server using Ansible Playbook and run application using Tomcat. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you. Without delay, we start the session. This is my Ansible server. This is my Ansible server. Here I am showing here default inventory file cat etc ansible /hosts. This is the node entry. Node name is Apache. I already configured IP address and username. This is the my node server name, group name and IP address 192.168.10.160 and Ansible message user is root. Ansible Apache and ping. This is the ad hoc command. Ansible ad hoc command. Test ping response here. Yes, successfully it is pinging. Ping response is getting success. This is my node server. Ansible node server. How to install Tomcat server using Ansible Playbook. In this video session, I will show you how to install Tomcat server using Ansible Playbook step by step. I follow some steps here. I note down all the steps. I will show you those steps here. These are all the steps to create the Ansible Playbook for installing Tomcat server 8.5. These are all steps to install Tomcat server and deploy the application and download application. On Tomcat server. Packing completion. Step 1. Update packages. In update packages in Ubuntu server, I am using here Ubuntu server. So I am using apt module and install Java. Here also I am using apt module. Next, third task is download Tomcat tar file. Here I am using get URL module is the downloading files. Extract Tomcat file. Here I am using an archive module. Com Tomcat users. This is the user file, username and password. Tomcat user XML file. I copy that file using copy module and change default port in server XML. Here I am using line in file module. Copy context.xml. Here also I am using copy module. Download var file from Git. Here I am using Git module. Copy of folder in web apps directory. Here I am using copy module. Shut down and start the Tomcat server. Here I am using shell module. Shell module is using to run commands. Now I am showing playbooks here. These are all the modules. Tasks. Totally 10 tasks I am deploying 10 tasks using different modules. This is the context file. One is copy context file and second one is Tomcat user.xml file. Context.xml and this context.xml it is using this is comment that remote address value. Hello all values. Now here comment that one. This is the file. Without comment it is not accessing other servers. Only local server is accessing the Tomcat. Next one is this is the user.xml file. Admin user, password also admin, role name is admin GUI and manage GUI. Here I am using admin, username and password also admin. This is the playbook file. These are all the tasks. First one is name, install and configure Tomcat. Host is Apache. Gather facts, false and become yes. Sometimes root authentication is required, that time using become yes. This is the vars. Required Tomcat, required port is not using, but Tomcat URL is using here. These are all the tasks. First task is update packages. Update packages. Here I am using apt module. Apt module. Apt update cache yes. Cache valid time 3600. Next one is next task is install Java default JDK. I am installed here. Apt module name default JDK state latest. Next download Tomcat tar file. Here I am using get URL. Downloading the tar file. Get URL module. Download the Tomcat one. Downloading get URL module. URL is Tomcat URL variable. Destination is user local. Next, extract the Tomcat tar file. Here I am using anarchy module. Source is user local Apache Tomcat. Here I am using required Tomcat version. Variable I am using here variable name. Destination is /user/local, the same folder, same path. Remote src, yes. Why? Because extracting that file in remotely. That's why using remote src, yes. Next, copy Tomcat user.xml file. Here, copy the file from Ansible server to client machine, node machine. That is a path, user local Apache Tomcat required var /conf/tomcat user.xml. Next, change the default port. Here I am using line in file module. Copy module, line in file module, line in file module. Path is user local Apache Tomcat required Tomcat var conf server.xml. In that server.xml, this line will be changed 8080 port to 808888 port. This is also changing from remote server. That's why I'm only using remote src. Next, copy context XML file. This is the copy module. Here I am using copy module. Local to remote server. Context.xml. Copy module. Context.xml. Next, download var files from Git. Here I am using Git module. HTTPS Git. This is the my GitHub. Have that pet clinic app. Download here. Copy app folder in web apps directory. Copy to temp directory. From temp directory to copy the pet clinic folder /user local Apache Tomcat required Tomcat version web apps folder. Copy the app directory from temp to default web app folder. This is also remote src. Yes. Finally, we can start and stop and restart the Tomcat server. Here I am using shell module. User local Apache Tomcat required URL shutdown.sh and no hub, using no hub, continuously running that service starting using no hub. No hub command is using, this is the Linux based command. No hub, continuously running that shell file. That service continuously running. This is the Ansible Playbook to install Tomcat server from Ubuntu server. Ansible Apache. Again, I will check ping response. Apache -m ping. Yes, successfully getting ping response. IP address of that node server is 192.168.10.160. Go to browser and check any Tomcat server is running or not. 192.160 10.160 H. There is no I run the playbook. Not here. This is the node mission. This is server Ansible Playbook Tomcat install. Install new.yaml file. I'll show you that Git URL also. This is the my Git URL pet cleaning folder, target pet cleaning folder. Okay, this is the Git URL. Now, okay, I run that playbook. Tomcat install new.yaml. Now start the installation process. Task 1 is completed. Update the repos. There is a warning. Warning is not. It's just warning. Installing Java. Java is completed. Installed. Next task is downloading required Tomcat. Tomcat tar file was downloading here. It will take some time. Yes, downloading is completed. Next, extract the downloading Tomcat file. Yes, it's also completed. Next task is copy the files. Next, change the port number. It's also completed. Next, copy the context file. It's okay. Downloading var file, not var, folder from GitHub. This is the app file, app folder. That is the pet clinic app folder. It will take some time. Yes, downloading var files. Copy the var file and start the Tomcat server. Okay, 10 tasks was completed. Change it 7. Previously I run that one, that's why it's 7. Now we will check here browser, through browser. 192.168 10.160 //. Port number is //. Again refresh here. One 192.168.10.160://. Yes, I'm getting Tomcat server default page. Here we access that app two ways using manager app. Here I'm logging to username, password. Here also I show the app details, pet cleaning. This is the folder. This is the app details. This is the starting position. Just click that pet cleaning folder. It's open that Spring application. This is the Java application. Accessing that application in another way is just 192.168.10.160://pet cleaning. That folder name, app name also. We can access that directly without login username password. This is Tomcat install using Ansible Playbook. This is the playbook. I already show you this playbook. These are the tasks. Gather facts, become yes, require these are the variables. These are all tasks. Get URL, destination is local. And R2 module to extract the tar file. Remote SRC, yes. This is the copy module and line and file. To change that port number using line and file module. Context.xml and next download the var file folder, pet cleaning app folder from here. Shut down and start the Tomcat server using shell module. Run that shell files. Shut down and start shell files. This is the user file. Tomcat user.users.xml file. Admin password is admin. Next one is catch context.xml. This is the comment these two lines. Why? Because other servers are not accessing the Tomcat apps without comment these lines. These are the user local. These are the downloading Tomcat file here and extracting here. In that extract files, all folders are available here. In Tomcat, default folder is this one. Okay. This is the path. Web app folder. ls web apps. Here, this is the folder, application folder. Next, start and stop the context file is user local. This is the path. ls web apps cat manager meta in person. This is the default context file. Next file is port, change port on server.xml. This is the line in file we are using here, line in file module, and change the default port 8080 to 88888. This line. Next one is this is the startup and shutdown shell files. This is the path. Con. These are all the steps. These are all tasks, 10 tasks. I am using these modules: copy module, line in file, and copy, and git module, shell module. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Watching this video session. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for all. Thank you for supporting. Thank you very much.